Welcome! In this lesson, we'll explore basic statistical concepts using Python. Understanding statistics is essential for data analysis, as it helps us make sense of the data and uncover patterns. We will focus on common statistical methods like mean, median, standard deviation, and more. Key concepts. Mean. The mean, or average, is one of the most fundamental statistical measures. It's calculated by adding up all values and dividing by the number of values. Median. The median is the middle value of a sorted dataset. It's useful when you want to find the central tendency of data that might have outliers. Standard deviation. Standard deviation measures how spread out the numbers in a dataset are. A low standard deviation means that the values are close to the mean, while a high standard deviation means that the values are spread out. Variance. Variance is the square of the standard deviation and shows the degree to which data points differ from the mean. Example 1. Calculating the mean. The mean is the sum of all values divided by the number of values. It helps us find the central value of the data. In this example, we calculate the mean of the array 10, 20, 15, which is 15.0. Example 2. Calculating the median. The median is the middle value when the data is sorted. If the dataset has an even number of values, the median is the average of the two middle numbers. Here, we calculate the median of the array 10, 20, 15. After sorting the data, we get 10, 15, 20. So the median is 15. Example 3. Calculating the standard deviation. The standard deviation measures the amount of variation in a dataset. A small standard deviation means the values are close to the mean, while a large standard deviation means the values are spread out. In this example, we calculate the standard deviation of the array 10, 20, 15. The result gives us an idea of how spread out the numbers are from the mean. Example 4. Identifying outliers. Outliers are values that are significantly different from the rest of the data. They can often be spotted by calculating the z-score or by looking for values that fall far from the mean. Here, we detect the outlier in the dataset 10, 15, 20, 25. Any value greater than 2 standard deviations above the mean is considered an outlier, and in this case, 25 is the outlier. In this lesson, we learned some important statistical concepts, such as calculating the mean, median, and standard deviation. We also covered identifying outliers in a dataset. These concepts are foundational for any data analysis task and will help you interpret and summarize your data effectively. You're now ready to move on to more advanced topics in data analysis and start applying these concepts in real-world scenarios.